Permalinks. That's a funny name. Permalinks are your URL structure. So WordPress gives you a little bit of control over how things are displayed on the front end. So for instance, you could display it like this, which is basically display by a post ID, because each page and each post has its own ID, and the ID doesn't change. So that's what that stands for. So the problem with that is that it's horrible to look at, it's horrible to read, and it's not semantic, and it doesn't mean a lot to search engines. So this is one of the reasons why WordPress is good at SEO out of the box. So we don't want to use this, and this really isn't much better. It is better, but it's still got this messy date in there, and that, dates are best displayed in other areas, I think. So this is the one I choose most often because it's the simplest. So that's just going to display my website URL with the page name or the post name. You can get more sophisticated if you like, especially if you've got a pretty complex blog or something, or you could choose this custom structure here, and by default it's set to post name, which is exactly the same as this, but you could add in, so if you put your cursor right there, you could put in category there too. So if you save that now, that'll if you go to all posts and view a post that's been categorized, so this one has been categorized with a category of my cat. So if I view that, now we've got my cat /hello world. Go back, and if we undo that now, hit save, and then all posts, and now view. Now it's just hello world. So it's up to you how you like to do it. There is another option down here in Permalinks. Personally, I think that the shorter the better. The shorter, the sweeter, the more you can sort of keep it simple and cut straight to the point. It's better for search engines, it's better for people. So there's also this other option down here, which is category base, which if we read the instructions here, it's saying if we put in the word topics or something like that, topics, well, let's just go with the word something. If we save that, now what that does is that if we view our categories this time, and we go to view the my cat category, now the category structure has changed. Now it's something my cat, which I don't recommend. I think this is just getting too convoluted in here, and I don't really. You would have to have a pretty good reason for doing something like this, which I can't think of any.